just like press freedom is declining, the rule of law is also declining. The latest rankings of the World Justice Project report on the rule of law index ranks Uganda 95th out of 102 countries on the rule of law index. That to me is a terrible state of affairs, and I think it is a call on all of us to begin buckling up in defense of not only media freedom, but also for all other freedoms, and most importantly, the rule of law.
Omwaka guno tubadde tulowooza ku teeka erifuga bannamawulire gavumenti lye yateekawo mu mwaka gwa 95. Anti ffena tukkiriza nti okuwa gavumenti obusobozi ku bannamawulire mu teeka kisobola kuleeta obuzibu, kubanga gavumenti awo esobola kukontrolinga bannamawulire ne bali bafise omulimu gwe bateekwa kukola.
Everybody should be allowed to express themselves. You understand? You realize that an artist will be banned from traveling internationally, but a corrupt official will not be banned. Yet this corrupt official's theft can cause or has caused great damages to society, has denied people of their rights to health, and generally a right to live.